that verse, that scripture that I started with is really important, because it's basically just saying, write the vision and make it plain on tablets. So if you have not written your goals down for the year, it'll probably be a good idea to have something written down. I think it actually does work, because if you do have goals and you don't write them down, then how are you going to be able to track your progress? I forgot, it's another quote that says basically you can't accomplish anything that isn't being tracked, or something about something being measurable. I'll put it here, the quote I'm talking about. But there's this book I read called The Compound Effect, when I was just going through the beginnings of entrepreneurship, and the book really helped me, because it taught me that consistency really beats motivation. So write your goals down, break them down into daily tasks, and then watch how your life changes in weeks. It could be small things, like, because the book has you to list the goals in like A1, A2, B1, B2 in order of importance, and I pretty much do that every day of my life now. I actually have journals that I use to help me keep track with my goals, and ever since I've started it, like, I keep all the journals, because I don't know, I just feel like one day, or it's valuable today, but it's just something for me mentally to show how far I've come and how many things I've accomplished, which is not the most important thing, but it helps when you have those days, hard days of just wanting to give up and just wanting to not want to do anything, or just saying like, what's the point of doing this? Like, it's no point. So when you have that negative self-talk, and everybody has it, like I have it, a lot, because you feel like, is this even worth doing a lot of times? So I think that just writing your goals down and understanding what you want to do and why you want to do it is one thing, but just having them down to track them and seeing where you can improve on, who you can ask for help in accomplishing these goals will help you as well. And I want you guys to know that you can do it. You just have to figure out why you're stuck. So why are you stuck? Is it because of fear? Is it because you lack clarity of what your goals are? Is it because of procrastination, which is something I feel like I have struggles with? But it's not necessarily procrastination. It's just that I feel so burnt out because I stretch myself pretty thin, because I do work a full-time job, and I'm working on trying to do X, Y, and Z. But this still can be considered procrastination and just burnout. So, and then when you figure out why you're stuck, you have to look and think, what kind of solution can I have to fix this? So I do think writing your goals down daily is a good first step for anyone. As simple as it may seem, it's really helpful with understanding your purpose and what direction you're going in life. And as far as your goals, you don't have to have like a big goal. Like, let's say for example, your goal is to save $10,000. You can break that down into smaller goals. Or if you're trying to lose weight, if you're I want to lose 100 pounds, well, you can break that into smaller goals and say, well, I want to, lose 2 pounds a week or something like that. Something, because when you do have those bigger goals like that, and you're just getting into the habit of it, it can seem intimidating, and you'll just be naturally just prone to just give it up and just say, oh, I'll try again next time, or I just forgot about that goal. It's easier to do that if you have like a big goal that kind of scares you. So breaking it down to smaller pieces will help you out as well. And if you don't know how to break it down, talk to somebody about it. You don't have to if you don't want to talk to your family about it, it's all kind of resources these days. You can use ChatGPT. You can read books. Like I said, The Compound Effect is a really good book. It's a short read if you like reading. And if you don't like reading, it's actually one of the first books that got me into reading, like self-development books. It's a really easy read, and it's not like a whole bunch of words. It's a lot. They have a lot of like charts and bullet points in it, so it makes it easier on the eye for people that prefer visualization to learn. Yeah, but that's the main book recommendation I would give you. And then, like I said, just flipping through my journals and just seeing how far I've come, it's really helped me to write down goals. So that's how you fix not achieving your goals. That's the first step, is really writing them down and understanding where you're stuck at, addressing that issue, and then coming up with the solution to that issue. And it's really simple. I would say the hard thing is just like initially doing it, getting started. That's really the hard part about doing this. But I believe in you, because I've come from nothing. And I wouldn't say come from nothing like I was staying in a shelter, but I mean, I've done like a complete 360 with my life, because the stuff that I used to do, the stuff that used to stimulate me or get me going isn't the same anymore, which is not a bad thing, because we're all meant to evolve, which is going to be the next video I kind of discuss about changing your environment. So I just wanted to stop in and say that and just give that little message. And you know, I've been MIA. Like I said, I've just been trying to get everything together. And when I had my accident and everything, I'm just finally getting back in the gym, being able to get back in the gym, still going to physical therapy and stuff. But I want to drop more videos. I want to provide more value, like I said in the beginning. Just finding a schedule that works for me so I can get you guys the content. But yeah, it's nice stopping in, and that's all I got for today. So